Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. If you're new here, my name is Sandra. Welcome to all my old subbies. Hello. So glad you all clicked in. So today's haul is going to be rainbow. This is the time to shop. First, let's start off with these tops. Now, they're called the bubble knit long sleeve tops. And they come in a wide range of colors. I bought them in white, royal blue, green, and white. Now these tops are a 3X. They run small, size up, but they only go up to a 4X. That's the biggest it comes, but that 4X to me is really a 2X, okay? So be mindful of that. If you kind of like small up top, you wouldn't have any problem at all. These tops are $11.99. I bought all of these items online. And this is not sponsored. I paid for all these items with my own money. No, the blue that I'm wearing, they call that royal blue. The green is like a Kelly green. That's the name of it. And then you have the black and you have the white. And then they have a fuchsia, which is pink to us, but they call it fuchsia. I did not get that one. But they did have a bubble outfit. It was a summer outfit, a top, and some shorts. And it was very cute, but it was sold out. So things sell out quick, but there are rainbows all over the place. So what you see online, a lot of the times they have it in the store. So you can check the store if it's something you really want. So I'm gonna let you see these tops on me and not just the model. Sometimes we always can just see the picture of the model, but it's always good for me to demonstrate for you can get a key idea if you would like the tops or not. Wait a minute. Yes. Just wait a minute. I am having so many problems with these tops. They're not fitting the way I want them to fit. Yes, it's a little too snug. I don't like when my clothes is too snug on me. Maybe I should have got the 4X, but I think that still would have been too tight as well. Now here is the blue. The blue fits the same as the black one. I'm not happy with them, but I do want to let you guys see them, so I put them on Old Faithful, the mannequin. Now you can see from this green one, if you looked at the other two, look how small this is. It's like they're all the same size, but they're fitting different. So I'm not too happy with that. But you will see these again because I will fit them real soon. Now, look how long this one comes down. Like I said, they're all the same size. They're fitting different. The biggest size you can get is a 4X. If you are top heavy, thicker up top than you are on the bottom, or both ways, size up and still be careful, because these shirts are really running small, and each shirt is fitting very, very different. So you know, when you see the mannequin, either my sciatic nerve is stopping me from doing my job, or something is just not fitting right. I took too long to try these on, and it's past the return date. So like I said, you will be seeing these again, and I will be in them. Now, love March, because that's my...
It's your birthday. Yes, it's your...
1.8 miles. Exit left.
I get out.
Yes. So you make sure y'all say happy birthday in the comments. I would appreciate that. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in once again to Work of Excellence TV. Without you, there would be no me. And I appreciate you all. And I'm just so excited with the growth of my channel. Make sure you guys comment, because engagement is everything. That's how I get to know you. That's how I get to, you really feel like you know a person without knowing a person when they comment all the time. You really get to know that person. And I just want to get to know the community that rocks with me. And I will see you all on the next video. Thumbs up.
Wait a minute.
And I'll see you on the next haul. On the next haul.
Get into it, yeah. Come out with a truck. Get into it, yeah. If you go to church, I said get into it, yeah. I guess she ain't got a fun that fucking get into it, yeah. I said I just gotta walk. Get into it, yeah. Come out with a truck. Get into it, yeah. If you go to church, get into it, yeah. If she ain't got a fun, fucking get into it, yeah. Yeah, you just wanna party. You just wanna lap dance. You just wanna pop up on these times like you the Batman. You just wanna ride out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone. I'm just talking comfort, shawty. I ain't give you nothing, you got comfort, shawty. I got plenty things you make a run for, shawty. Call up Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo.